Hello all, and welcome to your one of your final projects. You're taking the exam today. You still have a good 2 weeks left, so there's no official book work exams, but this is your last one of your last things that you have to do. Obviously, besides your DHFR lab report, is a bioinformatics unit. This that I'm going to show you is worth another entire exam grade, which should help a lot of you. The only other thing besides this is a lab practical, but we'll get to that later. So, how do you negotiate this thing, and what is it? On your schedule, this is called the Gene Annotation Project. It's due the 29th. This is now active, so you go to the Gene Annotation Project here. There's going to be a video right here, which is the one that I'm making, and that's what you're going to watch right now. It's actually an Edpuzzle, so that's how I know that you watched it, so you don't ask me questions if you didn't watch it. And then once you're ready, basically this is what you're doing. This is part of a group that I'm part of called PAIR, which is Prevalence of Antibiotic Resistance in the Environment. And it has been designed specifically for you guys. Around the country there are students doing this, and I've had a part in this. This is pretty cool. I had nothing to do with putting it together, but just part of testing it, and it's phenomenal. So for full credit on your exam, you basically have three things you have to do. After video 4, you have to do a survey. It's completion. You get 100 for that. So it's either 100 or a 0. It's 10% of your overall grade on this project. Then there's a post-assessment after part 2, and that actually gets graded. And then that's 10%. And then the last part is a bioinformatics lab report, which is 80%. Collectively, that'll be an exam grade. So what do? You click on the assignment here, and you say go to the assignment. And it's going to tell you exactly the same stuff I just told you, except what it's going to have is 2 additional things. One is the link to the project, and the other is the actual lab report format that you need for this part right here. So if we go here and we click on this, we will see that this is the project itself. It's a short course. It should take you, a couple hours to do, maybe 4 or 5. Anywhere between 5 and 7 or 8 hours total. So you're going to want to spread this out. This is due on the 29th. So basically, it's very easy to follow. There's a bunch of different ways that you can do it. You can literally just start, and you need to watch all the videos. This is the introduction video about what it's about. There's also the course schedule here that tells you exactly what you're doing in each part, which is nice. You can see here. Watch the intro video, then watch videos 1 to 4, then complete a quiz. So it's right down the line. It's very easy to do. So your job would be to watch this particular video here. And these are 2 of the students from Tufts University that have actually helped to put this together, and they're talking to you, telling you how cool this is going to be. You watch the 4 videos, and then at the end of this, it's going to give you a prompt to do the first quiz. And that first quiz is the one that's referred to right here. So then you go ahead and you proceed to the second part. And the second part, actually after you do part 1, 2, 3, 4, there's a video. After you do the second part, this is where it's going to teach you how to do the bioinformatics part of it. It's a tool you're going to be using. It's an online tool. We're going to be assessing bioinformatic information from either a soil or a water sample. And when you get to the point in the video where you get to pick which samples, you are going to choose 1 soil and 1 water out of the gigantic list. So after you're done those 2 parts, it's going to take you to here. This is in the program itself. This is where you can actually input all the data, and the videos will show you how to manipulate this particular website for the bioinformatics stuff, which is totally cool. As far as part 3, all part 3 really is up to your instructor, obviously, and that's me. So that is going to be this. This is the lab report. So once you've done all those parts, let me open this up for you and just show you kind of what it looks like. And there we go. And let me slide it over so you can see it. And whoops, it's showing 2 pages. I only want to show 1. There we go. So this is the outline for the lab report for it. It tells you exactly when it's due. Very, very explicit exactly how to do it. 1 to 2 paragraphs here, general methodologies, results, discussion, and then whatever references you have. So that is the 80%. If you want, I have absolutely no problem with you just using this document as a Word document and just kind of going, delete that and start typing your abstract. Or, what are the, like for example, any of these, what are limitations, whatever, you can just, if you want, you can type under here like that and then save this and upload it. So there we go. So obviously this is where you're going to upload your file, and that uploaded file is going to be this lab report. So this is a short video just show you how to do it. I of course am open to questions, but it's very, very straightforward, and so good luck.